Assalamu alaikum. Today we are doing sketch pen tip coloring. For the sketch pen tip coloring, first we have to draw few fruits and then we'll use sketch pens to complete our drawing. So let's start making the fruits. I'm starting from the apple. You know, apple is quite easy. You have to first make a curve and then from the other side also the same curve will continue. See, curve like this. Okay, once the apple is ready, just make the top part of the apple. Now after this you have to come to the pear. For the pear I'll just have with apple only, so I'll just make one side a small C curve, okay, and then I'll continue making the pear like this. Okay, now the same thing I'll repeat on the other side and I'll close it. Then for the pear as well as the same thing, I'll just make the stem. Here also I'll just erase little bit. Okay, now after making the apple and the pear, we have to go ahead with banana shape, the shape of a banana. So for the shape of banana, I'll just have a curve shape, a little longer curve, and then from one of the corner of this I'll just make it a little round like this. I'll just close it. Okay, now I'll just complete it. Now after completing the shape of the banana, apple and the pear, you just come to the shape of pineapple. So for pineapple, I'm starting from here, okay, one of the end of the apple I'll start, and for the pineapple I'll just make a round body like this, and then I will complete the upper part of the pineapple. For this I have to make, I'll start from one of the curve end of pineapple and start making the leaves like this. 1, 2, 3, 'this, and then we'll just extend it this side and then upper part. After completing pineapple, we'll just have some grapes with banana. So for the banana, for the grapes, I will start making, starting from the corner, 1 round curve, 2nd, 3rd, then continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll just continue making these small circle for the grapes, and then the bunch of grapes will be ready like this. See, a bunch of grape is ready. Now we have to make the top end of the grape bunch like this. So our fruits are ready: pear, apple, banana, pineapple and grapes. Now let's start. I'm using a light green sketch pen for the pear, so I'm going ahead using my light green sketch pen. I'm just going to put small dots, and then I'll do the outlining later on. with the help of sketch pen, I'm going to try to finish the work of it. You can see we have to be very careful because these sketch pen work is like corners we have to do it dark, and then towards the center it's okay, we can have them randomly and with less gap, but towards the corner we have to be more careful and try to use sketch pen tip drawing using a broad marker. It will be easy to complete the work rather than if you are using a thin one like this. The same way I'm using, I have both the sides, light thin one as well as thick one, but I'm preferring the thick one. See, I have completed the pear doing sketch pen whole work. Now the next step is I'll take my light green color pencil, okay, and I'll just shade this with a little light green color pencil, okay, so that the white spaces will not be visible and it will be totally green. After completing this, for coloring, just a light one like I am doing, I'm not going in for the detail, okay, just a light. And then I'm taking the brown color marker. I'm using the thin side of it and I'm completing the stem of it like this. The same brown color I'll have it and I'll just color it like this. Now I'll take my green color and I'll outline it. Outline green full with the same green sketch pen with the one which I'm doing the sketch pen tip work. I just continue making the outline. See, this is done. Now the same thing I'll repeat for the apple. I'll just take this red color. First, I'll just try to complete the outline of the apple. Like this, complete the outline. Make sure that you should draw, use a sketch marker on the line. Okay, now after this, I'll just take brown color. Complete brown color sketch marker, close, take a brown color. The same thing you have to complete the coloring work. After this, again take your black sketch pen, use the broader part and just start making the dots using the tip of the sketch pen like this. The corner should be more and then towards the center it should be less, okay. You have to leave spaces and then do it. Corners you just do all together, making less gap. After completing the sketch pen tip coloring, I'll use a red color pencil and I'm going to color the apple red so the white spaces will be covered up like this. And then later on, if I feel that I still need some sketch pen tip coloring, so I just take my sketch pen and I'll start putting it. And it's easy, it's not at all difficult. Hope you find it very easy. Okay, now the same thing I will outline it. Okay, now start putting the sketch pen like this. If you feel it is less for some areas, again just put it like complete, and then we'll go ahead to the next one, next fruit, that is banana. Okay, like this you have to complete your apple. This is how we have completed the apple. We'll come to the, okay, done. Now I'll go for banana. For the banana I'm taking a yellow and yellow color. I'm just taking the broader side. First I'll just outline it. I'll also outline it first. Complete the outline. Like this. Make the center line. Now after completing this, I'm taking the yellow color and an orange color, both the colors together, and I'm starting putting the dots first with yellow and then with orange. Little bit I'll add it like this. For banana I'm using two colors, yellow as well as orange. Okay, I'll show you one side. I have used yellow and then on the top I'm using brown like this. So both the colors I'm using, yellow as well as orange for banana, and then later on I will color it yellow. Now after completing my grapes, you can have purple color also. For the grape I have done green. So I'll come to the pineapple now. For the pineapple we have to start making the center one like this. Now with this we have to complete the shape of pineapple like this. Make this design. Okay, it should have 6 sides like hexagonal like this. Complete it. For the pineapple I have outlined it brown and I have done this green. Now with the same green color, okay, I'm making the top part, the tip one of this pineapple, and then for the pineapple I will use two colors, brown as well as yellow. Okay, so both the colors will give the effect because it has both the colors, light yellow and then brown. So after completing this green part, I'll go ahead with the yellow and brown, and it is not difficult. It's quite simple and easy activity, and hope you love doing this work. It will not take you much time as well. It's interesting. It's quite easy and simple activity. Okay, after completing the see, I have done with this green one. Green part is done. I'm taking my yellow mark sketch pen and my brown. So going ahead with the yellow one, first I'll go with brown. I'll take my brown. I'm using the broader side. Start making the dots like this. I'll show you one of the corner and then it will be easy. The rest we will complete it like this. Like this we have to do, and then I'll take my yellow one and we have to put yellow in center like this. So it will give effect of a pineapple like this. You can see this is how we have done our work, our sketch pen tip coloring. And after completing all the fruits, I have taken brown, yellow and red color sketch pen and I have completed outside as well as, and this is the final image, and we have done with our sketch pen coloring tip, and hope it's quite easy and simple for you all. See you inshallah next time. Thank you.